Mindset 5. If you're not growing, you're dying. The only thing constant in this world is change, and to keep up with that change and stay relevant means you have to learn. The world is moving forward every hour, every minute, and every second. Therefore, we cannot use yesterday's solutions to solve today's problems. The same goes for mindset. You cannot achieve a 7-figure income with a 3-figure mindset. The gap is just too big. Therefore, you and your team need to commit to growing themselves, not just in their skill and talent, but also mentally, emotionally, physically, and even spiritually. You might be wondering why so many areas. Well, try taking one area out. Does the business or would your staff still be able to contribute to their fullest potential? For example, if you take physical growth and improvement out of the picture, you'll have all of the money in the world, but be ridden with sickness and disease. No matter the amount you earn, your health can never be replaced. And bear in mind, though, if you're learning the wrong things, whatever you do will be wrong. This is when unlearning comes into play. Unlearning is as important as learning. It's a process of setting aside all thoughts and beliefs that no longer serve your interests or your company in today's world. You might find it hard to change yourself or even your habits, but the only time you start to see growth is when you feel uncomfortable. You can never reach a new level if you remain in your comfort zone. It's easy to fall back to your existing mindset if you surround yourself with people who don't support what you're trying to do. If you want to grow emotionally, intellectually, and in business, you've got to make sure that you're growing in an environment surrounded by positive people. These 5 mindsets are the fundamentals to handle your business growth. You may add more to it, and that's fine, but make sure whatever mindset and beliefs you adopt function only to serve and empower you to do better.